Welcome to Chris's Bread. Today we're going to learn how to make scones. It's a Betty Crocker's basic scone recipe. Heat the oven 100 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Some butter sticks have a nicely pre-measured markers. It's helpful to follow those. And cut in the butter using pastry blender, or if you don't have that, using 2 knives, crisscrossing, and blend the butter well in the flour mixture until a mixture looks like fine crumbs. Now the flour and mixture and butter have been blended really well. Looks like fine crumbs. I already beaten the egg, so I'm going to add the egg, and I'm using cranberry and add half and half. If you don't have a half and half, you can substitute with milk. We're not gonna mix it too much. It's gonna create gluten. It's gonna be chewy because it's pastry. We're gonna just enough the dry ingredients incorporates with the wet ingredients, and I'm gonna turn into a big giant bowl, bringing everything together. And put it in a flat surface, gently, very softly knead it for 10 times just to create nice layers. And sprinkle flour on the surface and on top of the mixed dough, and either using hand to flatten it, or you can roll it about 8-inch diameter, and using sharp knife that dipped in flour, cut it into wedges, but we're not going to separate the wedges yet. Brush with the additional half and half, sprinkle with sugar crystals, and bake it in the oven 14 to 16 minutes or until golden. And then immediately remove from a cookie sheet, carefully separate the wedges, and serve warm. And look other different scones in the recipe, and now you know how to make scone. When you open it up, you can see the nice warm steam coming. It's buttery and it's flaky and it tastes delicious. And make your own scone with your favorite dry fruit or fresh fruit and enjoy your scone.